We are having budget session on January 29th. From when it will be from when to when it will be convened, and there will be second phase as well. So, what all can we expect from the budget session?
From 29th of January, budget session will commence, and first part of it will conclude on 15th of February. And in the first half, normally budget and President address will be there, and discussion on President address and discussion on budget. And if there are any emergency bill or ordinance, that also we will prefer to take. And whatever the other issues, if at all, as it is normally in the first phase, in President's thanks-going motion to the President and the budget, anything can be discussed. And other than that, whatever necessary bills are there, government would like to take, and there will be question hour, and of course and it is the discretion of Speaker and Chairman, and all other things will be there, including 0 hour and everything. And the second half will be from March 8th to April 8th, and in that we will discuss on the various demands and grants on the various departments, and also other bills which are necessary, finance bill, all those things will be there. This is about the session, and as usual, session hopefully, and last time also we had planned for the little longer session, but unfortunately because of some incident and even some of the other opposition members also, they demanded that it should be concluded early because it was a different time. But I am quite hopeful this time it will, as usual, how we run the session every year, that it will, government wishes that it should, the full session, it should take, we should do it. This is what is our intention. And second thing is about Central Vista. This is the mentality of the Congress party. Congress, in its tenure, it did not do anything which can create the history. You can just look at it. You can just, if you go back to the history, they have not taken any dynamic decision. Especially in last 10 years of the UPA decision, it was a policy paralysis. Now, because we need a good parliament building, because there is a constraint of space, technology, all such things are there, and we are giving huge amount of rent for the various office buildings to locate the offices. For that, Central Vista and Parliament was needed, but now at present, Parliament Foundation laying stone on, at that time, few people, they went to the court, and Congress, in a way, they boycotted the foundation laying ceremony. See, in opposing Modi, they are opposing the country itself or the good works for the done by the Modi to the country. This is the fate of the Congress party. It is intellectual bankruptcy of the Congress party, and even some opposition, they try to criticize. But Supreme Court has upheld our vision and also our argument also.
About session as well, because we took so many precautions during COVID times. Most of the CDM members were told to take an off. They were relieved of the duties as an MP. They were given a chance to do that. Do you think because vaccine is about to come and it will benefit all the MPs, and would they be also allowed to undergo the vaccination before they come?
No, there is no such plan is there, because now the priority is as already told by Honorable Prime Minister, priority is health workers and aged citizens and all such people, and comorbidity people. These are our targets. And now I don't think all MPs need to be vaccinated, and we will, whatever the precaution needed to be taken, that will be maintained. No such plan or idea is there in front of government.
So Shashi Tharoor has also tweeted saying that now that Boris Johnson is not coming for Republic Day, why not cancel the celebration?
No, Shashi Tharoor sometimes what he speaks, let Congress party reply for that. And whatever the needed precaution to be taken, that has to be taken, and Republic Day is a most inspiring day for the country, and he speaks. It is most unfortunate that he speaks. He gives. He tweets like that, and I don't know what Congress wants to say. At one time they say you do that thing, this thing, all those things, and even when recent session we spoke at that time also unnecessarily privately they tell us that this only directly you go for the budget session, and they give other statement otherwise. This is the standard of the Congress party. This is the most inspiring day, and how many people we should allow to assemble, and how many exhibitions should be there. All the such things, government and the defense ministry, everything they will decide. I don't think that is a big issue. Unnecessarily, Shishu Tharoor tries to poke his nose in every issue.
सर, बजट सेशन शुरू होने जा रहा है, क्या डेट्स रहेंगी, कितने फेजेस में होगा, क्या क्या बिल्स रहेंगे, क्या इमरजेंसी बिल्स कुछ आएंगे, कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बिल्स हैं जिनकी पूरी देश राह देख रहा है, बहुत सारे मेंबर्स भी कह रहे हैं कि वो बिल आने चाहिए, क्या वो बिल रहेंगे और कैसा रहेगा बजट सेशन? विंटर सेशन नहीं हुआ था, ऑपोजिशन बहुत क्रिटिसाइज कर रही थी विंटर सेशन ना करने के लिए। गुलाम नबी आज़ाद जी ने भी शायद चिट्ठी लिखी आज लोकसभा स्पीकर को कि पार्लियामेंट बुलाई जाए।
पार्लियामेंट हम बुलाए हैं, वो क्या अभी 29 को पार्लियामेंट शुरू हो रहा है, प्रेसिडेंट माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का एड्रेस है 29 को, फर्स्ट को बजट है। ये तो नॉर्मल प्रोसेस में हम बजट सेशन कर अभी ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिसाइडेड, एंड तो इसलिए लेटर लिखा है शायद, तो ये मीडिया में आ गया देख के, ऑफिशियली अनाउंसमेंट करने से मैं पहले लिखूँ, ऐसे शायद वो लिखे होंगे। वो तो अपोजिशन का टैक्टिक्स है, आई डोंट माइंड फॉर दैट। गुलाम नबी जी द सीनियर मैन, आई हैव गॉट लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम, but government has already decided call for this session from 29 से हम 15 फरवरी तक हम फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ बजट सेशन हम रख रहे हैं। उसके बाद 8 मार्च टू 8 अप्रैल सेकेंड हाफ विल बी देयर। उसमें पहले फर्स्ट हाफ में हमारा बजट, प्रेसिडेंट स्पीच, उसके ऊपर चर्चा, बजट के ऊपर चर्चा, ये सब होगा, और जो कुछ भी एक आध ऑर्डिनेंस है वो भी हम पारित करने का कोशिश करेंगे, और जो कुछ भी अपोजिशन उठाना चाहते हैं वो इसमें हमारा प्रेसिडेंट थैंक्स गिविंग मोशन ऑन प्रेसिडेंट पे जो डिस्कशन होता है उसमें कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो हमारा बजट में कर सकते हैं। बाकी हमारा एक आध ऑर्डिनेंस है, एक आध बिल भी आ सकता है। सेकेंड हाफ में डिपार्टमेंट वाइज डिस्कशन होगा और कुछ बिल भी होगा, फाइनेंस बिल होगा, ये सब रहते हैं। ये तो नॉर्मल, इन ए नॉर्मल वे वी वांट टू फंक्शन, we want to conduct the session that we have already communicated to both the presiding officers also, and necessary arrangements will be done. It is most बहुत irresponsible statement है, ऐसे 26 अगस्त बहुत inspiring day है, it is most irresponsible statement. Let Congress react on that. We don't want to cancel that and we are very firm on that.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए News 24।